When choosing best phones for YouTube videos, the options are more powerful than ever. Modern phones don't just shoot at high resolutions, they also offer pro-level features like optical stabilization, high frame rate slow motion, and log color profiles. You can capture top-quality content for YouTube videos. The key is choosing the right smartphone for video recording. Phones purchasing links are given below. Just go and buy now. 1. Google Pixel 10 Pro. If you're excited about 8K video recording, the Google Pixel 10 Pro might catch your attention. However, 8K is not available directly in camera. You need to enable Video Boost, record your video, and upload it to the cloud for processing into 8K footage. You'll also need enough Google account storage. Video Boost can also improve stabilization, especially when zooming. Video mode includes pan, blur, standard video, night sight, slow motion, and time-lapse. Additional options include audio zoom and video format settings. A flat video mode is only available when Video Boost is enabled. HDR Plus is automatically applied when using the main wide camera, delivering good color, detail, and stabilization. The highest native recording is 4K at 60 FPS. You can zoom up to 20x in video, but quality drops significantly unless enhanced through Video Boost. 2. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you want serious video power without cloud processing, this is where things get interesting. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is Samsung's latest flagship, packed with AI-powered features. You can generate slow motion from recorded footage and enhance audio quality using AI tools. The 12-megapixel selfie camera supports 4K recording with autofocus, which is excellent for vlogging. A major upgrade is the 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, replacing the previous 12-megapixel sensor. The 6.9-inch display remains large and bright, with thin bezels and an anti-reflective coating that reduces glare, great for recording and editing. It records 8K video directly on the device, a feature found in only a few smartphones. That said, most users will still prefer 4K or Full HD, especially since 1080p allows Samsung's super smooth stabilization for gimbal-like footage. Overall, the Galaxy S25 Ultra offers powerful flexibility and professional-level options. 3. Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you're looking for the best iPhone for video, this is it. Video features have been upgraded, including dual capture support. The triple camera system now includes a 48-megapixel telephoto camera with 4x optical zoom and 8x optical quality zoom. Apple Log has been updated to Apple Log 2, improving dynamic range and giving more flexibility for color grading. Genlock support has also been added. The dedicated camera control button allows you to record with a long press and zoom by dragging your finger. The 6.9-inch display makes recording and editing easier. It supports 4K at 120 FPS for advanced slow motion. The 17 Pro Max also offers up to 2 TB storage, ideal for large video files. 4. OnePlus 13. If you want direct 8K recording without cloud processing, the OnePlus 13 delivers. It features a 50-megapixel main camera, 50-megapixel ultrawide, and 50-megapixel telephoto, offering strong flexibility for composition and quality. The 32-megapixel front camera is fixed focus, which may not suit everyone. Both the main and telephoto cameras include optical image stabilization for smoother footage. It supports 8K recording, which can be useful for creating sharper downsampled 4K video. Additional video modes include Nightscape, HDR, Portrait, Timelapse, and Dual View. 5. Xiaomi 15 Ultra. If you want powerful hardware and high-resolution flexibility, this phone deserves attention. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra supports 8K video recording directly on the device. It also offers strong 4K performance with good stabilization and dynamic range. Its camera setup includes a large main sensor and high-resolution telephoto options, allowing sharp zoom and detailed footage. Video modes include HDR recording and multiple frame rate options, making it versatile for different shooting conditions. The large display and high-capacity battery make it suitable for longer recording sessions. 6. Sony Xperia 1V. If you want a smartphone that feels like a real professional camera, this one stands out. The Sony Xperia 1V is designed for serious videographers. It supports 4K recording at up to 120 FPS across multiple lenses, giving you smooth slow-motion footage without sacrificing resolution. Sony includes advanced manual controls similar to its alpha cameras. You can adjust ISO, shutter speed, focus, and white balance manually, which is ideal for creators who want full control. The 48 megapixels main sensor delivers excellent detail and natural color science. Real-time IAF tracking helps keep subjects sharp while recording. It doesn't focus on flashy AI tricks, instead, it gives you professional tools in a compact smartphone.